Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kiniki di mabanabat ki advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinyin kerpang ni kini. Waitlam bang kasyulong advertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedla. Bat ki berta kisula. Link bang kasyulong advertisement.com.
Habatta krenting yo President Kameglia Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H. Pala halor kecingkan tho ba sorkar MDA kalakat arliang ba Sanbor ong ban kedokti yakiwei dai banda perkhat ba namar ba ki South League sempriakti ki phalang saladi habai kren ba Sanbor ong ba Pala ha kerteng kum President jongka MPCC balawan ra na Delhi daka Waitlam ba maj ki Congress hadu bakin hab ban le penyeso sakati MC.
Bapala, he should think to himself and his party first. Because poking four fingers, one finger not two others, four fingers he'll poke his nose, his own nose. Divided. You think for yourself. You have brought the sword. Without consulting, based on the president, without consulting your MLA, your MDC, your party functionary, quietly, you brought the sword from Delhi, sword in the form of appointment as a president. When he come here, he got all the Congress people and they have left the party and merged with the AITC. Think for himself first before you criticize others.